Wow! Look at our beautiful celebration! Celebration! Happy Independence Day! Wait! Where is the big golden star? Look! Golden sparkles! Maybe they can help us. Come on, friends! Let's follow the sparkles! Help me! Help me! Who said that? Who said that? I found the star. I did not steal it. It's okay. We believe you. The star is too high. How can we put it back? I have an idea. We can work together. One box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes. Teamwork. You can do it, little bird. Almost there. We did it. The star is back. Is back. Yay! Happy Independence Day! Today we learned something important. Helping others makes every celebration brighter.